Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my day get up ready. So I'm currently in bed right now. I like to lay down a little bit before when it's morning. I like to lay down a little bit when it's sunny inside, and so I'm going to be doing a get ready video. So yeah. Anyways, I need my stressor because I'm really stressed. And it's really cold, and I feel like cold stuff is really good. And if you don't know what my stressor is, it's this. You put it on top of your head and just pat it down with your hands right on top of your head, like this. And you could literally squeeze it. It feels. I don't want to grandma back there. It feels amazing. It sounds amazing. It feels amazing. Just listen to that. Okay, so yeah, anyways. Look at it. It's so fun to squeeze. If you guys could listen really closely, somehow here's. Let me get so that's how good it feels, for at least me. So yeah, I'm really not calm right now. I'm bored, so I decided to make a YouTube video with you guys, for you guys, and I am. So that's a good thing that I do what I want when I want. So anyways, I'm really bored right now. I'm just playing with this bag because I feel like it's so cool. It's really cold, so it's very unstressing. I have it right next to me just in case I get bored, because I'm pretty sure she'll be back. No, never mind. I am actually. I am pretty bored.
I'm just asking you, when did you leave California? Oh, I left July the 9th. How did you get from California to Arkansas? I got my check.
Yeah, I love this bag. It's so amazing. It just really helps your head when it's cold and has ice in it. I did not put ice in it right now. I'm going to make a channel how to make it, so you guys can make it, because this, how I made it, I feel like is really, I don't know, I said it, it's going to be a fun project for you. That's, I'm going to give you a hint. It's going to be a fun project, alright? For you guys, at least. And, yeah. Why is it white? To look like clouds. Clouds are unstressing and stuff, so. Looking at clouds helps me. So I made it a cloudy color. I made it white for clouds. I still add a little bit of blue in it, because blue and white are clouds. So that would work, but I didn't actually. I'm going to call it actually marshmallow fluff, because it feels really fluffy, and it just looks like marshmallow. So it's not called cloud fluff anymore. It's called marshmallow fluff. It literally looks like marshmallow fluff, except it's melted. I just can't stop poking at it. It just feels so satisfying.
really like to clean. In fact, I had a video that came out that was all about using wood, these painted plastic tables. I'll link that at the end of this video so you can all check it out if you want to see it. And there were tons and tons of projects showing how much I love using these painted tables.
I feel like it's really, really satisfying. But it's even more satisfying when, I don't know. Let's go wash my face. Alright guys, I just see what time it is. Wow! It's actually pretty late. It's actually pretty early. Guys, it's just like, it's the afternoon right now. Yeah, it's afternoon right now. I actually take a bowl to wash my face because, I don't know, I feel like that's more better and creative. What's that up there? That's a little frog. Get cold bowl water. I like to add some coconut oil now. I like to add some of this coconut oil because it's really fun. What? Cow. My cow's back there. Chilling in the bathtub. Why do they chill in the bathtub? It's because, I mean, they're chilling on the outside because, like, they hate water and I just run the water. They just look at what I was doing. I can't even open this now and I closed it yesterday. So, oh, got it. So, we're going to add a little bit of this in there. Gonna mix it around. For some reason, I just have Q-tips around here. I do this every single day. It's a pain in the butt. But, hey, I have to wash my face. I have to wash my face. And I have to do what I have to do to wash my face. If I have to wash my face. That was horrible. So you're just going to spread it all in the water, like on the bottom. I'm so bad at seeing underwater. It hurts so bad to see underwater without goggles. But I do it anyways. I don't lift my hand off. My friend just texted me saying, "What are you doing? I want to hang out." And I was like, nothing. I'm going to hang out with Kayla, my other friend. Okay, sorry. I'm actually in bed right now and I can't really come, so yeah. And that's what I said. But I'm going to text her and say, like, I'm sick and like, so I texted her and I said, I'm sick, I can't come over right now, because I am actually really sick and quarantine. So yeah, that's a really bad idea for me to come over. So she was just like, okay, that's fine. And I was like, I'm actually surprised that she didn't actually bake me. So anyways, now you want to have some soap. Me just sitting over here talking about my stupid problems. I'm going to have to get this video on to the next part. Why did I just open it like a guitar? Oh, geez, that should be enough. I need this one right here. Do that. Why do I have a fork in my bathtub? Because that's how I made the project thing. And that's why I have all this stuff in my bathtub. Because I had the project thing. I made that marshmallow fluff slime with marshmallow fluff dressing with this bowl. So yeah. Alright. So now I'm going to put my face in. Or I can just take it all out. I'm gonna go put my hair up first, so I'll see you once I have a ponytail. Alright guys, so I got a ponytail. I'm really actually scared to do this. I mean, I'm not scared because I do it all the time, but I was just acting like that. So we're going to rub some of this onto my hand before I even wash my... Let it go and scrub. Yes, what does the coconut oil do? That is supposed to make your skin soft. So I don't have to use lotion, but I still use lotion. Yes, Layla, why aren't you dipping your face in? Well, I'm about to do it. Let's just my start. So, let's do it. I'm not going to open my eyes because they're so this. My face doesn't fit because I did turn it the other way. There was soap on my nose. I don't know how to do this. Because I'm not used to putting my face underwater. Because it burns. I'm going to need that for the video I make about how to make the clouds. Yes, I'm right over here. Alright. We'll be back once I blow my nose because there's soap on it. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm gonna go to my dresser. Right here. My nose is burning. But it's fine. I always do that. Now we want to brush my hair, but first I'm going to add some leave-in conditioner. Guys, I got this from Ollie's. It works awesome, so we're going to use it. Just go down the side.
Free hearing aids, free eyeglasses, free home prescription delivery, and free rides to medical appointments.
I'm Mike Ditka. Tell me, are you getting all the benefits you're entitled to? If you're not 100% sure, it's time to call the Medicare helpline. You could be eligible for a Medicare Advantage plan with no copays, no deductibles that includes dental and vision coverage, prescription drug coverage, free gym membership, and no monthly premiums.
Alright, first, I do big cone.
I gotta be at work in an hour.
Call now to instantly find out if
and a vacuum and
Medicare
stuff.
Advantage plan that includes additional benefits. You don't get these automatically, so call and see if you're eligible. The call is free and there is no obligation to enroll. Did you know you may now be eligible for additional Medicare-approved benefits, including dental, vision, hearing, and prescription drug coverage? Just call a toll-free number on your screen now to see if you qualify. The Medicare helpline is now open.
Logan,
Medicare makes sure you are
when I go to work, do you want to follow me down so I can get cigarettes and iced tea and you can take them back home?
if you're eligible for a Medicare Advantage plan that includes additional
Alright, because I won't have time to like run.
free eyeglasses, free meal delivery, and free rides to medical appointments. You may also be eligible for $0 monthly premiums, $0 deductibles, or no copays. Just call the toll-free number on your screen now to see if you qualify for additional benefits.
There's always naughty.
Vision, hearing, and prescription drugs. There is no obligation to enroll. The call and Medicare benefits review are absolutely free. Call the Medicare
That wash stop downstairs, Logan.
Is it what?
Medicare
Stop.
and get
I
all the
think so.
benefits you deserve.
No, who's this fucking is, but I'm sick of it.
I'm about to get a shower if you're not.
I'm not gonna return to watch it on again. Get out of there.
For signs of intelligent life. Are we ready for first contact with Cosmos Possible Worlds? Tonight at 8 p.m. Fox 29.
Man, how are the cats getting in? You're probably wondering. The top is broke.
I know, but not all of them can get in that way.
When you need fast,
No, a lot of them can.
at Northeastern Title Law, we're here for you every step of the way. You can have cash
I've been hearing it
15 minutes or less.
go
All you
out.
need is a clean
I mean,
contract.
they've been going in. I have been hearing it.
No hassle, no process. It's that easy. Take charge of your life today with Northeastern Title Loans. Give us a call at 877-511-CASH.
Welcome back to 25 words or less. Let's do a little recap here. Matt played a great game there. You're up to 500 points. Ario, you don't have any yet, but the game is really just starting here, okay? Before our final celebrities play, let me remind you that no one goes away empty-handed here on 25 words or less. So, Jamie, tell us what today's runner-up will be taken home.
One of you will be going home with a collection of electronics from iHome. Enjoy this assortment of iHome products that will enhance every part of your day. Fall asleep with this energy bedside clock. Move your next with the iHome Bluetooth vanity mirror. And listen to your favorite songs with color-changing Bluetooth speakers.
Colton and Dan, it is your turn to play.
Right.
All right. Let's take a look at the answers for this round. And I'm going to set the opening bid at 24 words. Dan, you go ahead and start us off.
22.
Ooh, 22, all right.
We'll go to 20.
Alright, so guys, I have been. So I'm going to do my hair right now. I'm brushing it back. Because that's what I have to do to get my ponytails alright. Because it takes a long time to brush my hair back. Whenever I'm trying to put my hair ponytail up in a ponytail. I've been smash bombing it.
45 seconds on the clock. Your time starts now.
Just like I am right now.
School punishment.
I'm literally trying my best not to catch all the hair that's just flying back into my hands.
Work agreement. Luggage. Baggage.
Luggage. What is it? School.
because I've been nailing my ponytail since I was a kid. I mean, I still am a kid since I was 2. Yeah, that's crazy. Real crazy. No, actually, since I was like 4. That's crazy for me. If it's not crazy for you, it's because this isn't your lifetime. If you think it's crazy, then thank you. If you think it's not crazy, then no thank you. Easy peasy lemon squeezy to tell you what I do. Oh, guys, I'm not trying to be mean. But, you know. Do you even know how it feels? This is my outfit that I actually dressed for today. So, yeah, I don't have to get dressed anymore. Because it is like the afternoon right now. And I get ready in the afternoon sometimes. So it's fine. Now this is not okay. So I have to redo my ponytail. Now it's all brushed back. It's fine. Oh, geez. I just have to brush that part back. No, it's fine. It's so hard to put these things in a ponytail. Oh, thank God. Got it.
For me, it's about quality care designed for my individual needs.
I'm just slicking my hair back, literally. I don't care what I'm doing. I'm just slicking my hair back. No frizzies today. I like to use a pencil, the back of a clean pencil, like a brand new one, to just like slick it back. I just like to put it on the pencil all around, and just and then I pull it back, and it's just like perfect. I can finally teach my gymnastics class. So I will see you. So I can finally teach my dance class. Yes, I am a dance worker. I am a dancing. Okay, guys. So I am a dance teacher. If you were wondering, yep. So I'm going to dance right now. So I'm going to teach my class. And I will see you back once I teach my class. Because I can do it at like, what time? I do that at 1:16. It's 1:16 right now, so I have to go bye. Okay, guys, so I'm going to bring you with, but you can only see me dancing. Not my whole class, alright? Okay, class, so this time we're going to do this. And they're all muted, so they're just gonna look and you can't do it. Make sure on your tippy toes, alright? Like that. And stop whenever you can. Okay, but try to go on. Good job! You did it so good. Good job. So now we're going to learn kickbacks. So you're going to kick back and try to do this. Now, and try to do this. And try to do this. Just like you need to. Now your teacher is going to be doing it. So guys, anyways, I have to go. Bye.